Hey y'all, and welcome back to my channel. It has been a minute, but I am back with another product review. So today I'll be reviewing some products that I received from Naturaz, and let's just jump right in. So I'm starting off with the No Poo 3-in-1 Conditioning Shampoo, and I like that it comes with this little seal on it, so you're not getting product everywhere during shipping. And it kind of reminds me of like a honey consistency. But it's no poo, like I said, and I was very nervous about that because I'm used to my shampoos lathering. But when I did my whole wash routine and I rinsed it all out, and I noticed like, hey, my hair is really clean. Like it didn't feel stripped. It just felt really clean. So definitely no poos can give you a good, nice clean. So this is what my hair is looking like with all the shampoo in my hair right now. The next clip I'm going to show you what it looks like freshly washed out. So the next product I'll be using is the Rehydrating Mist and Detangler, and it's a detangler like it says, and it's also a leave-in. I was very nervous about using this as a leave-in because I'm used to my thicker creams and leave-ins. I like to make sure that my hair is very moisturized, so I was nervous that this spray wasn't going to do the job, but it ended up working out well in the end. It definitely did help me detangle my hair. It was an easy process. I didn't run into a whole lot of snags when I was trying to detangle, so I did like that. This next product that I'll be going in with is the Styling Moisturizer, and it is kind of like a serum. Like this is what you would use to seal in your moisture. So like an oil, but it is thicker than an oil, so that's why I say a serum. But it left my hair very shiny. So now I'm just sectioning off a piece of hair in the back to begin my my styling process. And then I'm going to go in with the curl defining gel. And this has argan oil and aloe vera. And this was like a lightweight gel. But it definitely felt very good going on to my hair, and it definitely brought out my curls very nicely. So I definitely like this defining gel. So I'll be doing this thing that I saw another YouTuber do. I believe her name is In a 90s Kind of World, and I think her real name is Alana. But it's called a Twash and Go. So you twist the first half of your hair and then you kind of wash and go the bottom part of it. And I think she kind of started doing that because the front of her hair was giving her issues. It wasn't like curling up as much as the back of it was. And I have that same exact issue. I think mine is just worse. The front of my hair does not cooperate the same way the back of my hair does. I don't know why. I don't know what it is. Like, I thought it might have just been like heat damage, but I really just think that the front of my hair, like the texture is just very different from the back. And I'll show you that clip later on. You'll see what I'm talking about. So this is what I'm talking about. Like you see, like there's no curl in that middle section of the bottom part. Like you see that it's like bushy, and the curl is just not there. Even when I try to scrunch it and bring it in, like it's just no. It's like, no sis, we're not doing that. So this is the next day, and I'm ready for a takedown. So I just put some more of that serum all over my hands and put it through my hair, and then I began my takedown. And I did something a little different. I started my takedown in the front, only because it's just kind of difficult sometimes to start it from the back. You guys can't really see that good. So I just decided to start from the front. But yeah, I'm just going to shut up now, and I'll come back with my final review. Take me to your soul.
I belong to you. I belong to you. Do just what you want. You're the one I trust. And I always be around when I need some love.
So overall, I really like these products. If I had to give it a number rating, I would do it 8 out of 10. And I say that because the leave-in was just a little too lightweight for me. I'm used to my thicker products, but this definitely was still good. But yeah, everything else worked very well with my hair. I loved my hair. It came out so nice and bouncy and soft and definitely defined and moisturized. So yeah, if you guys want to purchase these products, I'll leave it all in the description box. And thank you guys for watching. I'll see you next time.